So endless options for avatar customization. Export to anywhere you want. Blender, export your avatar as a 3D model, do it on Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, Maya, Cineforge, or any other 3D environment. Animation ready. Okay, developing game or app, integrate avatar as a plugin. I have explored 50 plus avatar tools to help you create your own AI avatars. And in this video, I will show you the top 10 best for creating virtual avatars. This does not include AI spokesperson tools, does not include tools for creating artistic AI avatars. It's not tools for creating profile pictures or motion capture tools. It's not tools for 3D characters and resources, and it's not tools for creating virtual environment. It's strictly tools for recreating yourself in a virtual environment. Maybe you want to use it for VR or for VTube or for virtual meetings. So without much ado, let's just jump right in. The first tool I'm going to be talking about right now is this one you're looking at right now. It's called Ready Player Me. So Ready Player Me allows you to easily integrate character creator for your game or app. So it's basically just for you to create an avatar. Then you can infuse it with so many other tools like your VR chat and some other ones. Okay, so it's a trusted tool and something you should definitely check out. I've created an avatar here before and it's very seamless and easy to use. You can actually go to the site and see what they have to offer. So it's a pretty good site. So all you just need to do is to get started with a selfie, customize with hundreds of options and infuse it with so many games. Okay, it's easy to use. So and the next tool we're going to be talking about right now is called Animaze. Animaze.us. So this is another cool tool. The landing page simply says interactive creativity, join a community of over 1 million streamers, YouTubers, VTubers, artists, and creatives to try and animate for free. All you just need to do is to click on this button and you can be able to experience what this tool feels like. Okay, so and the next one we'll be looking at is called Remote Face. So this tool is strictly for virtual meetings. So it's called Remote Face. It says your avatar for a video conference, a virtual camera that gives you complete privacy. The avatar is created from a single selfie and always looks great. Lots of awesome virtual background. So it's a plugin that you can add to your Windows. All you just need to do is to download, and you can use it for compatibilities for both Windows and Mac. You can actually use it with Zoom, Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Skype. So for Apple laptops and tablets or mobile phones, you can't access that with Skype. You can't access this tool on Skype, but it works for the others. So it's something I think you should explore on your own. Okay, the next one that we're discussing right now is called VC Face. This tool is actually used by a whole lot of VR chat influencers, and I've frankly I've not actually used it myself, but I see it a lot. I see it a lot with them, so I think it's definitely something you should try out. All you need to do is to download this button and just come to this link and find out more about the tool. It's called VC Face at ICU. So ICU, oh that's cool. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is called VMagic Mirror. This is another cool tool used by top VR influencers. So you just have to check it out yourself and see how it works. Mine is to give you the information. So the next tool I'm going to be looking at is by Microsoft. It's called Introducing Mesh Avatar for Microsoft Teams in private preview. So it's not public yet, it's still in private preview, but I think it's going to be worth it. Microsoft cannot slack on this one. So you can create this kind of 3D avatars and use it in meetings, you know, something like this. Okay, you can change the clothes and so on. So I want you to realize that this list I'm making does not include mobile apps. So mobile apps um, like Instagram, all these mobile apps have their own virtual kind of 3D character creation, avatar stuff, avatar tools and all. So it does not include them. You guys already know Snapchat, so, but then I'm not listing those ones here. I'm only listing the ones that you can actually utilize as a main software or tool. So the next one I'm going to be looking at is called VR chat. So VR chat is like very popular. You guys already know about this. So this is VR chat. VR chat plus create, share, play, jump in now, meta quest. So these are ways you can use them on Steam desktop, Steam on desktop, Rift, meta quest, and Steam VR. So about 25,000 community created worlds and growing. So that's that for VR chat. So talk about VR chat. Just go to hello.vrchat.com. The next one is Avaton. Avaton.me. So Avaton.me allows you to create lifelike 3D avatar from yourself. So endless options for avatar customization. Export to anywhere you want. Blender, export your avatar as a 3D model, load it on Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, Maya, and afford you any other 3D environment. Animation ready. Okay, developing game or app. Integrate Avatar as a plugin. So it all depends on what you want to do. Okay. A game with generic avatar. Avatar plugin opens up at runtime. Game loads created avatar. So instead of using a generic avatar, you can always upload your picture, change the look of the avatar into yourself, and game continues. So you can start building. If you want to experience this, so avatar.me. The next one I'm going to be talking about is called Lomi Live. So Lomi Live is another tool which I found some days ago. So it's for virtual meetings as well, just like the one I mentioned earlier, which is remoteface.ai. So Lumi AI allows you to create virtual avatars in virtual environments like office environments and all. What you just need to do is to upload your picture, and it uses your picture to recreate and create an avatar for you. How does it work? So I think you pick an avatar, create a personalized one in a free Lumi mobile app. So, like I told you, I'm not gonna use mention mobile apps here, but then this also has a desktop app, so it flies. So you choose your favorite avatar background, and then you start off. Okay. Select your input microphone or Lumi Live. So the rest are easy for you to walk through, and it's on Windows and Mac OS, so you can check it out for yourself. Let's go to loomai.com. Next one I'm going to be looking at is Zipeto. Zipeto actually has a mobile app, and from what I can see, they also have a desktop version. Okay, so you can actually explore this. They literally have they're actually impressive, pretty impressive too. So you just have to scan this QR code and get in. We don't have that time now. The next one we're going to be looking at is called so this is an exclusive one. It's not supposed to be on this list, but I figured out that Photo has an AVR chat avatar maker as well. So just go to photo.com, scroll and find I think there should be avatar. So all you guys need to do is to type photo on Google, then type VR chat, and you definitely find this link online. So you just need to come down here, create the VR chat avatar. I think they'll ask you to upload one picture, and that's it. are going to be done. Okay. Yeah, so I was going to mention my top 4 tools for creating virtual avatars. Number 1 is going to be Ready Player One, Ready Player Me. I was going to say Ready Player One. So Ready Player Me is top, is on the top of my list. Understand? So I've used it. It's very seamless and really interactive. The next one on my list would definitely be Animaze. Okay, and followed by this, because this is one of the best in the business. Okay, then the last one I make use of is definitely VR chat. Okay, VR chat, because they're actually on the top of the list. Everyone knows about this, so these are my top best. So the next step you have to take right now, the last step you have to take, is to click the next video in this series to explore the next set of AI tools I have for you. Don't forget to click the link below to get the free guide I mentioned earlier. So I'll see you in the next. Take care.